Okay, use your calculator to work out. First thing I've written down is to remind myself to put that into the calculator. Before I go into the exam, I'm going to make sure that my calculator does that, and if yours doesn't, then make sure that you come and see me and I'll try and sort that out. It says write down all the figures of your calculator on the calculator display. And because I've got to give it as a decimal, then I'm going to remember to write down and use this button to convert from a surd to a decimal. Write your answer, correct to one significant figure, the most important number. So I'm going to round it to the single most important number. 3 marks. Pavel and Katie share some sweets in the ratio of 3 to 8. 3 to 8. 1, 2, 3. That's Pavel, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's Katie. So if we remember how many that we've got all together, 8, 9, 10, 11, there are 11 of them. Okay, so there are 11 parts altogether. So there are 11 parts. And Katie's got 32 sweets. So it's 32 divided by 11. Don't forget to use my calculator to give me the value of 1 part. Okay, I'll come back and do that one later. Katie also has a tin of chocolates. Okay, there are 80 chocolates in the tin. 80 chocolates in the tin. 45% of them, 45% of the chocolates have toffee in the middle. Work out the number of chocolates that have toffee in the middle. So 45, and I'm using that button again. 45 of times 80. Okay. So far there are 3, 4, 7 marks so far. That's looking okay. 7 marks so far. Right, Bill. Bill has some counters in the bag. Some counters in the bag, don't know how many, but there's the bag. 3 of the counters are red, and 7 of the counters are blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the rest are yellow. Yellow, no idea how many. Bill takes at random a counter from the bag. The probability that he gets a yellow counter is 2 over 7. So that's yellow is 2 over 7. How many yellow counters are in the bag? I'm not sure about this one. I'm really not sure about this one, so I'm going to leave that one probably till the very end. Really don't like that question. Okay, question number 4. The diagram shows a solid prism. On the centimetre square paper, I'm going to draw the side elevation of the solid prism from the direction shown. So I need to think about what would I see. Well, if I was looking through here, I would see that bit, and I would see that bit. So what would I see? A 5, and I would see a 2 up. That would be the bottom bit, and then what else would I see? Well, it'd still be 5 across, but then I'd see this 3 up. So 5 and 2, and a little bit higher, and 3. So I'm going to draw that. I'm going to draw that in the square paper that's been given for me. So yeah, I like that one. I'm going to do that one when the time comes. Question number 5. Question number 5. Ben goes on holiday to Hong Kong. In Hong Kong, Ben sees a camera for that much. In London, the identical one is 285, and the important part is that £1 is equal to $12.30. So £285 times by 12 point, that will give me the answer in that one. How much cheaper? So at the end I needed to subtract from that bit there. Okay, so 3 marks in there. Yeah, when I'm happy, when I've done my introduction, I'm going to come back and do that one there. Question number 6. There are 180 adults in a language school each. So this is going to be one of those tables. So it's French, Spanish and German. I must remember that I've got my calculator. And they're all adults, so it's men and women. So men and women in there. So I'm going to do all of that. So this is just organising all of the work so I can see it. And I probably need a total over here. And if I need a total there, I probably